Today is Tuesday, April 30th. The time is 9:02 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2013 Topps Turkey Red Baseball Break, break number 1. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Braves, Craig Kimbrell. Orioles, Adam Jones. Blue Jays, Edwin Encarnacion. White Sox, Chris Sale. Blue Jays, Jose Reyes. Twins, autograph, Scott Diamond, serial numbered 653 out of 689. Justin Verlander, Tigers. Angels, C.J. Wilson. Reds, Joey Votto. Rockies, Troy Tulowitzki. And Diamondbacks, rookie, Tyler Skaggs. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for baseball box breaks, I have 2011 Panini Limited. Currently listed for football box breaks, I have one ending today, 2011 Panini Gold Standard. Also listed for football box breaks, 2012 Panini Playbook, 2012 Topps Valor, and 2012 Topps Turkey Red.